Hey guys, my name's Charles and today we're going to be looking at how to get 10 subscribers on YouTube for beginners. We're also going to be showing some examples of what you need to do and we're going to go jump on the computer to do this. But first let's roll the intro. Hey guys, so we're now on the computer and we're looking at how to get 10 subscribers on YouTube for beginners. And this is actually a really simple technique that is going to help you to get your first 10 subscribers on YouTube, or if you want to call them subs, whatever. Okay, so what we're actually going to do is we're going to do this. So we're going to go up here and into we're on our own channel. And we're going to type in this code at the end. Now you might already find that you've already got a question mark. Then we're going to go sub underscore confirmation equals 1. Now this is what will happen when someone goes onto your link like so. See this here? Are you sure you want to subscribe to Vezora Marketing? Okay, fantastic. So what you do is you just click subscribe. It is simple as that. So when you've put your link onto Facebook, Twitter, whatever, you're going to get people that click subscribe. So let's jump onto my Facebook. And as we can see here, I have put it on my Facebook. Using Facebook, I've got 2,000 odd friends. And I'm sure you've probably got hundreds of friends as well on your Facebook, so it's a really easy place to go and put your videos on or your page on or whatever on and say as simple as this: hey guys, if you haven't done so already, please can you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I promise the videos are going to get better. It will all be greatly appreciated. And then this is where you put in your link. But first of all, we're going to go on to bit.ly and you can create your bit here. And like I say, here I've done it and I've had 32 clicks on my link. So it's as simple as that. And then you're going to go re-put this back onto your Facebook account and you're going to get people that click on it. And like we saw here, this is going to be the first thing that comes up on their screen, which means you're going to get quite a high chance of getting someone to subscribe onto your channel. Now the next little bonus tip that I'm going to add in is if we just click cancel here, what we can do, we're already in this, go to our beta here, videos, and if I just click into this video here, in our description I have made this here, so I've just done arrow emoji, can't spell, arrow emoji, simply just highlighted, copy, and then we've gone back into our description here and I've simply clicked paste and it's brought this up. Then I've put in a little bit of titling here, so it's a bit of a joke, but you're going to get people that are going to like this and then they're going to click on your link and hopefully subscribe. So again, with YouTube you have to put HTTP in here, otherwise the link won't actually turn into a link and it will end up just being your wording and not a clickable link, which will mean you don't get anyone subscribing to you through this option. So this is a great way to get your first 10 subscribers on YouTube if you're just starting out. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video on how to get 10 subscribers on YouTube for beginners, and in the next few days I'm going to be releasing some more videos, a little mini series on how to keep getting more subscribers on YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you're notified, and keep at it. Alright, I'll see you soon.